Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list. Of course, you can do it using the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And here we have to tap on this pencil icon, kind of edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the circle, which will allow you to add a photo, and your device will give you the opportunity to take a photo or choose a photo. After picking the take photo, your device will of course open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. So let me tap on it. Just enter the album from which you would like to pick the photo and tap on the one you'd like to set. Tap on got it. And as you can see here in this section, we can change the position of the photo. We can change also the size of this highlighted square, and we can zoom in or out the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. We can also rotate the picture if you want to, or reset it, whatever. Just position it like you want to and tap on save copy. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear in this circle. So we just finished the first step, and the second one is to tap on save. You have to remember about that, because if you will not do it, then your contact will not be saved and the photo will not be displayed. Alright, so this is how our contact looks like. We've got the photo on it, so everything went fine. What's more, when we will get back to the contact list, you can also see it here, or for example during all incoming calls from that number, or during a texting with this person. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to a contact in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.